Can we fast forward to when I just feel a little better? More awake, perhaps? My God. Oh, no. I know we didn't like fast forward or whatever, and I don't look any better, but look, it's about to be 6 o'clock. I am not up for any reason other than I just couldn't stay asleep anymore. And I tried, and then I woke up. Oh my God, I'm not awake. I'm not awake, just not awake yet. Nick's alarm just went off. He wakes up this early? He's gonna be really shocked to see me. I'm gonna drink my coffee now. Something tastes weird about it today. Good morning. Good morning. Why are you up so early? I couldn't stay asleep anymore. Okay, I just can't lie. I do not want to work out right now, and that's why I'm going to. Also because I have therapy at 9, and I always feel better when I work out before therapy, because then I have the whole rest of the day to do whatever I want, and I don't have to worry about working out. Also, fun fact, actually really sad fact. I have at least -6 in both eyes. I am blind. Mustering up the courage. I'm kind of bribing myself because I want to try to be done with my workout so I can go get a coffee, like a nice coffee. Sometimes I have to bribe myself, and that's okay. And these days I've just been working out with my froggy clip. To me, it's always so weird being up at like this kind of hour, because I always equate this kind of hour with going to the airport. And that has not happened in a very long time. I'm just going to my downstairs apartment gym, so I'm literally gonna wear these joggers and just put a sports bra on. It's freezing in here. Ugh. Dream Kit Nature for clear skin.
And you're feeling half alive. Tell me where it hurts. Tell me if you wanna cry. What do you like when the camera's gone? Is this life what you want? What do you like when the camera's gone? Are you crying when nothing's wrong?
I'm back from the gym. I like showered and did my skincare and everything. And I made another coffee because I decided instead of going and treating myself to coffee, I have plenty of Nespresso pods. I'm capable of making it here, and also I want to grab a salad for lunch. So I figure, why buy 2 things? Even though I know we're gonna buy stuff for dinner. But anyway, that was how it worked in my head. And I cracked the case on why this latte tasted weird, and it's because for a while I was using the Trader Joe's unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and this almond breeze one is just not as good, and it doesn't foam as well as the Trader Joe's one does, and it just doesn't taste as good. So that is not good. I mean, it's fine, but it's like not good. It's 8:30. I literally have 30 minutes before therapy, so I'm gonna drink this, and then I'm gonna try to clean as much as I can. I'm gonna like set a timer for 10 minutes and just clean as much as I can, because my place is disgusting, and it's because of me. Just hit myself in the face. I really read 60 degrees outside, and for some reason thought that was gonna be cold. It's not, it wasn't. And I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm literally from Chicago, where 60 degrees I would be in shorts. So I think I'm officially a Californian. Also that because I went to Creation. That's very Californian too. I thought I'd show you guys what I got. And there's also a vitamin store or Vitamin Shop next door. I'm not gonna have these now, but I love Celsius, and Alani Nu has their own kind of like energy drinks. Also, there's dogs barking. These are some energy drinks that I'm excited to try. And then I've heard great things about Alani Nu Fit Snacks protein bars. People have said they taste just like candy bars, and I love candy bars. I don't usually have protein bars anymore. If you watched me like 3-4 years ago, I was like a supplement queen. Like I had so many supplements on a daily basis, including protein bars. I kind of leaned away from that, but these just sounded really good. It's like peanut butter crisp and munchies. For creation, every time I'm there, I have to get a juice. I mean, I need to. So I've got Glam Unity and Feel Better, which are basically just like turmeric orange juice drinks. One has turmeric, this one has ginger. So I'm gonna do the turmeric one. This one's really good. Sometimes, because they're glass jars, I'll take the sticker off and then you can put a little flower in there. So keep these guys. And then I did get lunch, but these look really interesting. They're Dehydrated Strawberries, so I have to try that. It smells like a fruit roll-up. Look at that little thing. Excuse me? Kind of amazing. And then I actually got lunch. I got this salad last week and I haven't been able to stop thinking about it, so this is what I'll be eating today. It's their Hale Vegan Chickpea Caesar Salad, and it is delicious. It is so good. It's got crunched chickpeas, croutons, and nutritional yeast on here, and I forgot how much I love nutritional yeast, so I'm gonna have to pick some up. This is a phenomenal salad, and I also saw that they had blackened chicken, so I thought if I wanted some protein, extra protein, I can just snack on this, if not now, then a little bit later today. And that's my haul. Don't worry, I did wash my hands when I got in, so fear not, COVID. We've made it to the time of day where I get ready and dressed up to go absolutely nowhere but take a bunch of photos and TikToks. On days when I'm not working on an audition or a script or something for class, this is what I do. And Thursdays are like my chillest days. So are Fridays, but Thursdays are typically my chillest days. So I think I just want to do really light natural makeup. Typically I like to go for like bold colors like green eyeshadow, pink eyeshadow, or blue eyeshadow recently, but I want to shoot a few different looks, and Nick and I are going to go to the farmer's market, so I want to do a more natural look. This is boring. I will come back when I'm trying to find an outfit. I know the lighting is shit in here, but I also know that I said I was going to do a natural look, and then I just kind of got a little bit carried away. So that's okay. This, you guys, this is the best lip gloss I've ever had. This one is shade Nude 4. It's from Nude Sticks. It's a it's a lip glaze, and it's got like pumping, oh my god, I can't speak. It's got plumping in it. Oof, but it's gorgeous and I love it. I was about to say, if you see me out and about wearing lip gloss, this is it, but I will never put this lip gloss on underneath a mask. Are you kidding me? Bitch, only in my Instagram will you see this lip color, cause can you imagine this sticky mess behind a mask? Also, it's like too beautiful to be hidden. I'm gonna find an outfit. I saw this really cool outfit on Pinterest of this girl with a blazer and some yoga pants, and I have both of those items, and this could look awful on me, but it could look cool. Okay, here's my question. Why did I think being nude under a blazer was just like a good casual everyday outfit? I was like, yeah, this could be something. I mean, obviously it's sexy, but it's just not farmer's market material, but it is taking Instagram into my house material, so I'm gonna do that. But I don't know why I was like, yeah, that's the outfit today. You guys know how I feel about my brand new chair from Urban Outfitters in my corner. That's where I also take my therapy calls. Thank you. And I'm gonna shoot on that because it's fun and she's my baby. So we're gonna do that. Going to the farmer's market. That was kind of crazy. That was like way too crowded for my liking, but We got a bunch of stuff for dinner, including this fresh bread that I'm going to feed Nick as he drives.
You are?
I am. Okay, here's another piece.
It'll be better grilled.
Mmm, still great though. I love French bread. I had a candle in college and it was French baguette scented. So when I lit it, it made my whole dorm room smell like baguette.
That's concerning.
So is the noise the car is making. This is just such a mood. All right. You wanna come cheers me, baby?
What is that, sweetheart?
We got lots of fresh vegetables. We're going to make clams with lemon linguine and like a lemony garlic tomato sauce. If you are watching this and it is 5 o'clock at some point, grab a glass with me. It could be anything. And we'll cheers.
Look at that.
We got our dinner. How's it taste?
It's so good. The quality of the ingredient makes such a big impact.
I want to get a good bite of everything. Ready? That's like better than any Italian restaurant.
Yeah, because we literally bought it from a farmer today.
Like the clams, the garlic. You guys, go to a farmer's market if you can. Pick up ingredients for a lovely meal and cook with your partner or your best friend, if you can. I almost just dropped all of this. We're gonna do some skincare to end this vlog, not sponsored. I feel like I've only seen sponsored skincare reviews. I'm like I was wondering why I was so tired, and then I remembered I literally woke up at 5 a.m. today. So I was like, why am I exhausted? Like, I'm never this exhausted this early, because it's like 8 p.m. So the first thing that I'm going to do, regardless of the new products that I got, is use micellar water and remove the makeup that I already have. I just love this product, and I don't want to fuck with that part of the routine because it always gets off the makeup super well.
We're all in this together. We're all stars. Okay.
I don't know about you guys, but I watched Sydney Sweeney's and Madison Beer's Vogue like secrets or beauty routine, and so that's where I found some of this product. Also Emma Chamberlain. I'm going to try using this cleanser. Nice. It feels really good. My face feels so clean. Okay, I don't know what order to do this in, so we're gonna do this one first. I saw this in Emma Chamberlain's video. This is a black snail serum. Apparently it nourishes, lifts, brightens, and helps with wrinkles, so count me in. Using the dropper. Okay, cool. Just let it absorb in your face. Doesn't smell like any. Oh, it was like slimy. I don't know if you saw that. My tough spots are actually like right by my eyes. So I'm curious to see how these products work, because I've been using an eye cream for the past few weeks, and I've actually seen significant improvements in the like fine lines right by my eyes. I'm also like really tempted to get Botox, like here and here and here, but at the same time, like I don't want it to prevent me from being able to like emote for acting. I don't know, do any of you guys have it, and how do you like it? What's your opinion? The last new product is from The Ordinary, and it's just hyaluronic acid, which is super hydrating, and I'm gonna put this all over my face. Last thing that I'm going to do before we close out this productive day of my life is apply this Plump Up Sleeping Facial from Korres. I hope you guys are doing well, and I really appreciate you for watching this video and hanging out with me today. Like, it just makes me so happy when we can spend time together. And if you want more videos like this, let me know. And that's my skincare. Obviously, I use SPF in the mornings, afternoons, late afternoons. I'm always applying sunscreen. Thank you guys again for sticking around and being here. Subscribe if you want to, if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. We're all in this together. Bye.